Welcome everybody to Imperfect Education. I'm Cody and I'm going to be teaching you how to program in C++. In this video we are going to install code blocks, which is our IDE we will be using to do the C++ programming language in. And I will be explaining a little bit about the interface. So the first thing we are going to do is download the software. So open up your browser and go to www.codeblocks.org. Once you get there, we want to click the Downloads button. There's 3 different ways to download code blocks. We want to download the binary release. This will give us all the code in a setup file, so all we have to do is click the setup. So let's click Download Binary Release option. You'll notice that there are 4 environments that we can download code blocks for: Windows, Linux 32-bit, Linux 64-bit, and Mac operating system. We are going to be downloading the Windows environment. So what you're going to want to look for is codeblocks-12.11 min-gw-setup_user. So go ahead and select one of the 2 download links. The download will take a few minutes, so go ahead and pause the video until the download is complete. I already have it downloaded, so downloads. Alright, go ahead and locate where you downloaded the file. Let's right click and run as administrator. Let's go ahead and press next. I agree unless you want to read the license agreement. Let's accept the defaults now, how they are. Next. This is probably the right destination folder. You can change it if you want to, but I'm going to leave mine just how it is. Click install. The installation process goes pretty quick, but I want to go over what IDE is. IDE is Integrated Development Environments. They're quite complex programs and contain a lot of features. It's a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. Alright, do you want to run code blocks? We do not want to run code blocks just yet, so press no. Go ahead, press next, and finish. So now that the installation is complete, let's locate the code blocks program on our desktop. If it didn't make a shortcut on your desktop, go ahead, locate where it installed, and create a shortcut. Once that's done, let's go ahead, right click, Properties, Compatibility, and make sure Run this program as an administrator is checked. If it isn't, check it, apply, OK. So now that that's done, let's double click CodeBlocks to open it. Alright, so here is CodeBlocks. Let's go over the interface just a little bit. At the top you'll see icon toolbars, which will have your debugging, run, save, your standard things you see on normal icon toolbars. On the left is the management window. This will contain information about our C++ projects, including file names and the symbols. And what do we got? Resources, projects. In the middle of the screen is the main work area. This is where our C++ code will be located. But for now, since we don't have a program open, it gives us links to create a new project, open an existing project, or open a recent project. Below the main area is the log window. This will contain messages about our program as it's being compiled, or if there is any errors during the compilation. We We'll go over this window a little more in detail when we start doing programs. So we got code blocks installed, so now let's begin with programming, which will happen in the next video. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.